Hi, my name is Neil, Implementation Lead at Sharktower. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the admin panel. To access the admin panel, you need to click your avatar on the top right, then Admin Panel. Firstly, you'll see the Manage User screen. Here, you can create new users, update permission levels, and export a list of all users. Note that project managers can also create users from the team page in their project. More on that later. Now let's create a user. First, start off by entering their initials, first name, last name, email, and job title. You can choose whether they're an admin or not. Here we can add some projects, or you can give them access to an entire portfolio. You might want to do this for stakeholders who will need access to every project within that portfolio. Moving on to access requests. On this screen, you'll see pending users that have been invited to Sharktower. Users will appear here if somebody has added a team member through the project screen and the domain is not whitelisted. We'll cover that in more detail under config. You can approve them by clicking the tick here or reject by clicking the cross. Under Manage Portfolio, you can create, modify and update portfolios. You can also move projects between portfolios. Think of a portfolio as a folder of projects. This can help with project filtering within Sharktower and in tailored reporting. To create a portfolio, you do it like this. To rename a portfolio, you just click the name. To move projects, you can click and drag them to the position you want. When you save the changes, if there's any permissions that are changing, you'll see this screen. In Sharktower, permissions are all based around which project or portfolio you have access to, rather than feature specific. In configuration, you can add whitelisted domains. This means that anybody with an email address with the whitelisted domain will be automatically approved when added to Sharktower. If an admin adds somebody, they'll automatically get approved. Working pattern allows you to update your organization's default hours and days, and this feeds through to the allocation feature. The last option within the admin panel is data extract. This allows you to export all Sharktower data into a spreadsheet, allowing you to create custom reports or power the tailored reporting. Do you need more help? Simply click the question mark on the top right and get in touch. Thanks for watching.